ट्रान्सपरंट आहे शंकर धाकटा तो.
For coming and joining in the Minority Morcha cell. In fact, Aldona constituency all knows that it's a mixed match of a majority community, minority community, as well as we have all the Muslim brothers, Hindu brothers, sisters, and our Catholics. But always, when it comes to the Bharatiya Janata Party, always there is sort of they're a little backward to come forward and openly. But today I'm confident and happy that to see the number of our minorities have come forward and into the committee of our Minority Morcha. Today I have tremendous support from all the communities, and that's the reason Bharatiya Janata Party could get elected for the second time. And we don't have only the Minority Morcha, which has happened for the first time in large numbers. पण दुर्यासने पुढे आमचे एक ओबीसी कम्युनिटी मोर्चा, ओबीसी मोर्चा, तसे आमचे किसान मोर्चा, महिला मोर्चा, and we have SC मोर्चा, ST मोर्चा. I think from all the communities in the constituency, all the communities already been there, but only one community we are lacking behind the ST community, which I'm making an effort to get that community also, among all the communities, so that they are completely done in Aldona constituency. My dear friends, let us take it forward. These are the numbers. We have to work, we have to go and convince our minorities that yes, today as far as the Bharatiya Janata Party, everyone can see the number of works that are taking place, the number of schemes, the number of social welfare schemes, and various things have been given to each and every of our citizen without any difference. And here your MLA is here. आम्ही कोणाक फाटी फुडें पळयनात. आमकां सगळीं एक आसतात. जावं आमचे मेजॉरिटी कम्युनिटी, मायनॉरिटी, आनी जातातले आमी सगळ्यांक हेल्प करतात. पूण आमी तर फुडें वचत जाल्यार आनी आमी मायनॉरिटी सांगितलें येस बाबा आमच्या ग्लॅन टिकला बरें रावत, आमच्या BJPचे बरें रावत, खूब कामां फुडें बरीं जातलीं. एक मनान तेंचें एक निर्माण जाता की BJP म्हणजे एक they look at BJP as a communal party. No. I am a minority like one of you, but in my experience, before I could get into politics, I have seen the treatment that we have got from the Congress party. I myself, they speak one thing, they do another thing. But I have not seen this in the Bharatiya Janata Party. But yes, when the elections come, they soon try to say no, BJP is a communal party. Always tell them, yes, if you say it's a communal party, give me one example. Today, we have among 27 of us, we have almost about 15 minorities in the Bharatiya Janata Party. Also the Muslim community. So let us work out together, because today, as the elections are approaching, there are a lot of allegations they're trying to make, trying to pinpoint. But Glenn Tiklacha can't be on and cannot be. When the media asked me, my media friends are here today, electronic media, the print media, when they question me, I tell them straight, because there's एक मुनाफ आसा. एक फोट मारीत जाल्यार दोन मातशे पडटा, 99 मातशे पडटा, 99 फोट. पूण 1% फोट होता तो कोण तरी सांपडटा. So if you speak the truth and straight, no one can tackle you. But today I have issues, knuckle issues were cut and they trying to implicate the MLA, local MLA. They try to see that whether he is involved, or they try to blame the government, or they try to blame the chief minister. But nothing is happening. Lot of issues you must be knowing. But you all know what I'm talking about. Lot of issues they try to rake up. But let us save this beautiful constituency, because whenever anyone comes in a constituency, they speak very highly of the constituency. Because last time there was this issue on the ground. They tried to make an issue of that. But yes, I can proudly say today, Clyde, Chagas, they all got together. I gave them whatever support, because there was some truth in that. And today we saved the ground of that corona, which was benefiting today. All the youth and all the people are benefiting. We can't just make sure our lands go and disappear. We can't make sure the hills are destroyed. What happens to the biodiversity? What happens to the future generation? Warrior, Doriar, nah. We are here to safeguard the interest, and I'm telling you today, Aldona constituency, if you go around, you see, you come to Porvodi constituency. I am a voter there, although I live in Kalambur. Completely the hills, high-rise buildings are there. Where is this thing of the village? the beauty of the village completely destroyed. But today, Aldana constituency, we have to ensure that we keep it as it is. Of course, wherever the people try to destroy, I have intervened. I have stopped it. South Tekor, I have stopped it. And let us all work together to ensure to keep Aldana constituency green, clean. And I always tell my punch members, let us work together. See, money comes, money goes. Everybody has got money. Beggars got money, but there's no respect. To understand that the people are with the party. But we have to come out, we have to explain, talk to the people, and to increase the minority votes, which is very, very important. And all of us are capable of, each and every one is capable of talking to our friends, to our neighbors, and convincing them. So that's the reason, let's all work together and ensure that now the elections are around the corner. And I'm sure Freddie, who's been nominated as the president, and Clyde, and all of you, all have got an important role today to take up the Bharatiya Janata Party and to get the third time get elected on the BJP ticket. I'm sure we'll all work together, we'll do well, because today, as far as development is concerned, I am proud that we have done number of work in this pandemic. I have almost done works, I have got work orders in almost about 20 crores as far as PW is concerned. And other works like doing the bunds, doing the band work and different things. We almost, I think we'll cross about 30 crores. But yes, that is important. But also what is important is to save our constituency. Today our constituency is always special. Aldana constituency, if you Google, it said it is the best, if you Google, it's the best village in the world. If one Googles. Why? They have maintained. And this credit goes to you people, to everybody, each and every constituent in the constituency. You see how beautiful hills that get untouched. Few which were, they tried to distract. I got involved, you people got involved, my members got involved, I brought in the assembly, I stopped it. Safety is another important thing of the Mahilas, of the ladies, is very, very important. And yes, the security of our youngsters. Jobs, yeah, jobs, everybody cannot get jobs. Now I know there are almost about 2,000 jobs or 2+ jobs which are announced. And there are about 25,000 applicants. How do we satisfy everybody? But our youth should talk to the other youth, especially our Yuva, we have a Yuva president, Ranjit. I always tell him, encourage the people to get into business. Get into businesses. Even I tell Carl, because he's well knowledgeable in that, he's got IT background, where we can, tell the youth, maybe boys or girls, ladies or men, get into that business sort of a thing, where we get EDC facilities, and so many facilities, there are so many schemes from the central government.
Here to declare, I think this constituency of Aldana, beautiful constituency of Aldana, has the first Catholic minority morcha. Me being part of this community, me representing this community on national level, it is a matter of pride and honor for me to declare this entire morcha here today. I don't think you all still understand the importance of this yet. But as I visit Delhi, I just recently came from a visit from Gujarat, where I had a function honoring Sikandar Bakht, a minority member who was part of the BJP in its early stages. We showcased that the minorities have been a part of the Bharatiya Janata Party for a very long time. Just like in Goa, my late father, Francisco de Souza, was the first Catholic member in the BJP. And for 12 years, until Glenn and the gang got elected during that tenure under the leadership of Manohar Parrikar, we had only one Catholic. And today, I can see so many familiar faces. Aldana being a constituency, a village very close and near to me, a lot of familiar faces, a lot of known faces. I'm happy that you all have all come forward. It is not easy for you all to explain joining the BJP to the rest of the community, but it is something that we need to do. It is something that has to be done. And you all have a person representing you all. I don't think I need to explain to you all about him. He's senior to me by almost 8 years, so he has better experience He's worked along with my father. He's worked with each and every one of y'all. But it's nice to see that all of y'all have come out openly, joined the morcha, and support him wearing this scarf. That is what makes the difference. And I appreciate each and every one of you for doing this. It's all over the state that this is possible, and we do not need to be afraid of being part of this organization. We need to be on board for them to understand, for us to understand, for us to get everything done, for us to ensure that whatever reservations we have can be conveyed right up to the national level. May it be through me, may it be through the MLA, may it be through the Chief Minister. We are here to serve and help each and every one of y'all here of the minority group. I would like to thank the MLA's team here in Aldona for inviting me, for having me here. Glenn made a special mention about jobs and about being self-employed. I think Kalan here is setting an example of self-employment. Sneddon is another example of being self-employed. A little brief about both of these two youngsters. Being young, they are in a field of their liking. They are doing what they enjoy doing. And I think there's no other job that satisfies one more than the one that he likes doing. And I think it's a matter of pride that both of y'all should spread this message about do what makes you happy. I don't think you are ever tired of dancing, and I don't think you're ever tired of looking at the computer. So we should set an example. We should encourage self-employment. Atmanirbhar Bharat, that we say, Swayambhurna Goy, self-sustainability is the motto of our Honorable Chief Minister. Let us work. There are a lot of employment opportunities. There are a lot of business opportunities. There are a lot of people that are coming from out of the state, coming here, setting up businesses. These are lost opportunities to girls. We need to capitalize. We need to make everybody aware and try to help one another. It doesn't matter. We live in.
म्हजो वो सेक्रेटरी क्लायंट आमचे पंचायत कोण ते मेंबर आहात ते आनी म्हज्या भावानो आनी भयणानो प्रेस मिडिया आनी पयले सुवातेर हांव कालचानकान तुमकां देव बरें कर म्हणटा की तुमचो मोलादीक टायम काडून तुमी हांगासर ह्या फंक्शनाक येयल्यात म्हणून आनी आल्दोनचे MLAन बाब ग्लेन सोजा तिकलो हेणेन म्हाका आयज हो मायनॉरिटी सेलाचो प्रेसिडेंट केलो म्हणून हांव ताका कालचानकान ताका ते देव बरें कर म्हणटा कित्याक मायनॉरिटीचो प्रेसिडेंट जावप म्हणल्यार तुका ते फकाणां न्ही आनी म्हाका दिसता की आल्दोणा जे आमचे मायनॉरिटी पळय जे आमचे लोक आहा ते खूब आयज तुका फाटीं उरल्यात कित्याक दुसरी हांची तुका सेलां तुका खूब तुका फुडें पावल्यात पूण आमचे लोक तुका ते फाटीं उरल्या आनी ह्या आमच्या आल्दोणा ह्या कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीच्या लोकां खातीर ह्या मायनॉरिटीचे सेल हांव घडोवन तुका दिसान दीस तुका व्हडलें करतलो आनी जे आमचे मायनॉरिटीचे कितें पळय इश्यूज आहात ते आमच्या सराशीन एखाद्या ग्लेनाक घेवन आनी अप टू CM पासून तुका हाचेर वयर व्हरोन आमचे सेल हांव तुका ते रेजिस्ट्रेशन करून तुका ते व्हरतलो आज पयले सुवातेर
BJP is a medium for us as minorities to reach out to the party with our issues. Secondly is for the party to reach out to each minority with whatever they can help. And third is for us to help each other. So we have a three-way mission in front of us. To reach out to the party, for the party to reach out to us, and not only that, for us to help each other.